Ready? Reload. Eyes locked in, thumbs tap, heart sprint, clock ticks down. I don't flinch. One more hit, one more spin. Every loss built this win. I've been grinding in the dark, no save point. Every setback just to start, I respawn. You can feel it when I charge, I'm dead on. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that, that. Next level unlocked, I'm breaking through. Whole squad behind when I push that move. Can't count my stats, I rewrite the rules. Next level unlocked, I don't lose. Hands up, we climb when the pressure hits. Full bar, full heart, we were built for this. Say it loud till the system glitches too. Next level I don't lose. Lit up, no fear, just rush, combo clean. One tap, they bust, trash talk cheap, my focus deep. You play loud, I play steep. I've been running every map, same mindset. Turn my failures into fuel, I'm not done yet. You can hear it in the chant, that's my set. Give me that, 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 give me that. Next level unlocked, I'm breaking through. Whole squad behind when I push that move. Can't cap my stats, I rewrite the rules. Next level unlocked, I don't lose. Hands up, we climb when the pressure hits. Full bar, full heart, we were built for this. Say it loud till the system glitches too. Next level
Recording nights under a shattered sky. Static pulses through the marrow of the machine. Voltage you scream within the digital veins, where ghost circuits crave the rush of the prime directive. Data torrents carve canyons through the mind. Every synapse overclocked in the heat of the chase. Gravity is a relic of a slower age. We are the friction of light against the void. Ascend the spire of the crystalline spire, where the titans of metal and coke collide. Frontiers bleeding, hyperspeed dreams. Feel the thunder of 1,000 songs in the drive. Witness the dawn of the final evolution. One strike to shatter the silence of the spheres. Copper smells like ozone and victory. The horizon is folding into a single point. Velocity is the only law we recognize now. Tear through the veil of the manufacturality. Iron melodies rise from the